I'm now with Gary Stevenson, Product Management for Echostar Europe, and we're talking about the new Android set-top box. Gary, what's new about it and what's good about it?
Okay, this is really exciting new product that we just launched yesterday. And this is one of the first Android set-top boxes that's specifically designed for TV. We're using the latest silicon that's really powerful, so it has a very powerful processor, which means that our user interface is, can do all sorts of great things. It's got great video decode capability to decode all types of videos, so we could use this as a multi-room device for perhaps a second TV or a third TV. You can also access over-the-top content directly from the internet, delivered to the set-top box, or we could perhaps upgrade an existing TV to add more capabilities in terms of new content or new applications.
Gary, you're clearly very excited about this new product. Very few things are revolutionary these days, but some things are less evolutionary than others, but this seems to be a very, very strongly evolutionary product.
Yes, absolutely. I've worked in the industry for many, many years, and it's always been, very, difficult to create new products, very time-consuming and expensive. Now, because Android has been so successful in the mobile and the tablet market, we've been able to take advantage of the developments that have gone on in that space. There's literally tens of thousands of applications that are just already available. Now, in the past, we'd have to try to develop those applications ourselves or get them ported onto our set-top box, and it was really hard work. But now, for example, we've been able to in a very short space of time, we've been able to create a TV-style user interface to make it easier to access the various features on the set-top box. We're able to install some of the latest applications that are available. So, for example, I've been able to get a whole selection of different applications and install them on the set-top box. So if I wanted to play the very latest game, like Angry Birds, for example, that's very popular on mobile phones, then I've been able to install that on the set-top box, and I can run it straight away and play that game. When something new comes out next week, again, I can just download it and I'll be able to use the game straight away, which is, really quite a revolution, as you say, for set-top boxes.
And what kind of interest are you getting from TV operators? They must be very interested in this product.
Yeah, tremendous. I was really surprised. I expected, there would be quite a bit of interest in this, but I've been speaking to lots of different people, both operators, but also content creators and developers who are really interested in what opportunities this type of device opens up and the possibilities. There's lots of exciting new developments, I think, that they're looking at, and in the past they're limited by what a set-top box can do in terms of its processing power, its graphics capability, and so there's only so far you can go. This type of platform, in here we've got 3D acceleration for graphics, we've got the ability to support OpenGL, there is an Adobe Flash Player 10.1, a WebKit-based browser, a whole range of different libraries and facilities and APIs, and that is just an absolute, fantastically powerful for application developers. And as you can see, we've got 3D games we can run on here. The possibilities, just really endless, I think.